Welcome to another video of Zack's pronunciation. Let's pronounce the name of this Korean American singer. Joshua. 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 Joshua Hong, or in Korean, Hong Jisoo. Joshua. 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 He is known for his gentle voice and soft vocals. Calm, polite, and often described as gentlemanlike. Brings a unique Western Korean style to the group. He has a personality which is very calm and kind, but also has a playful side. Known for being well-mannered and thoughtful. Sometimes surprises fans with unexpected humor. He grew up in the US, so he speaks fluent English. One of the members with a very soothing speaking voice. Member of 17, Joshua. Joshua Hong, or in Korean, Hong Jisoo. Joshua. 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 Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation for more pronunciation videos.